carrot yogurt casserole, or winter melon carrot yogurt bowl, or Petha Kaddu Gajar Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the Raita recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetable casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot recipes. We're going to make winter melon carrot yogurt casserole. We've taken around 100 to 150 grams of winter melon, around 100 grams of carrot, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 8 to 10 shallots, 15 grams of ginger, and 15 to 20 grams of garlic. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinade. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic leaves. Salt the garlic leaves. Now put in the ginger, put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly sauteing this. Put in some curry leaves, sauce, put in the carrot pieces, and the winter melon pieces, sauce thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Salt to taste. Put in quarter spoon of turmeric powder and a spoon of chili powder. Salt, thoroughly salt and mix. Salt for 10 to 15 minutes. Now pour in 100 ml of yogurt, mix, and let the mixture cook for a minute. The winter melon carrot yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Winter melon carrot yogurt casserole or winter melon carrot yogurt bowl. One of the tastiest of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt recipes and one of the most unique of the casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.